Hey, Gareth and Janet here. We just got off the Grand Princess in Lihue, Kauai, Hawaii. Does that make sense? Lihue, Kauai, Hawaii. And we are gonna just go to the beach. And that's the ship. So you walk through this building. Oh. Had I only seen that sign before?
We weren't sure where you guys were, so we were looking to make sure you weren't outside.
We're just trying to get out of this building. And so where we're headed is right there where you see those houses. There's a hotel tucked under those trees, right? See it? So there's the ship. Those people are coming out the way you go back in, the way we came out. So we're gonna walk around this parking lot, whatever it is, and the hotel is right there, and as is the beach. There's the ship, so we've walked around this street, and there's the beach and the hotel way over there. And the houses on the cliffs, over the water, and Janet. So it's, like I say, it's only a quarter mile. And here's a food bank. We're gonna go there. Hi. One island, many peoples, all Kauaians. So you can see the ship there. Not that far. We've walked actually about 0.34 miles. We've got some little restaurants and shops here. And a bus stop. I'm not sure about the price of the buses on Kauai. On Oahu, they're $1.25 or so. Coffee. Rooster. ABC store, that's, you know, like a 7-Eleven or whatever. Actually, it's bigger than that. Usually. Anchor Cove, shops and restaurants. Naughty Rooster Irish Pub. So if you need some Hawaiian shirts or souvenirs, that's the place right there. Chalet 2 for $2. Rubber chickens. Anyway, air conditioned in there. Shaka zip line. Another gift shop. We're cutting through right now the shopping center. There's more on the outside, more on the inside. I think so we can get to the beach via right here. See? Although I guess there's a chasm in between, a dry riverbed. Oh, maybe not so dry. There's a bridge, and it's not too far. go right across here. Notice people taking their shoes off. Or you can take the bridge up there. See people walking on the bridge? We chose to take the bridge across the swamp, more or less. Hawaiian styles. Oops. Royal Sonesta. So it was half a mile to this point right here from the ship. Half a mile. Cafe Portofino. Duke's. So there's Duke's. Of course, it's not Sunday, but maybe we'll get in there anyway. Duke's on Tuesday, I think. Although I'm not sure. It's a little breezy. You can probably tell that in the audio. And cloudy. But cloudy's good. Shady. Now, we know from experience that you shouldn't try to lay your towels out on this grass under these trees. See this right here? The lounge chairs, the swimming pool area is for use by registered guests only. So you shouldn't use them. The beach is public, but where the grass is private. It's hotel property. And of course there's the hotel. So we're leaving the path, going across the grass, out to the sand. I guess it's not a beach day today because there's almost nobody out here. It's a nice sandy beach though. I mean, there's this rock, these rocks, and there's coral out there if I remember correctly. We've been here once before. But it is nice and sandy also. Of course, there's the ship over there, right? Oh, that guy's got a hydrofoil board or whatever they call it. Motorized. Down at the beach right over there. There's the ship, of course. To go exploring. We found number one bathrooms. Now, I don't know if they want you to use their bathrooms, restrooms. But then there's an elevator here. It says it goes to different levels. There's also some mirrors. And so I push the upper level, you will. circus monkey.